So I have a question on how to create a QR code because a lot of the QR code generators are now costing money. If you have an account with Canva, here's the easy way to do it. I'm just going to go to custom size and I'm just going to do change it to inches and do 2 by 2 and then create new design. And if you already have a design where you want it in, you can go ahead and open that up too. But I also want to go down over here and find QR code if you already have that. If you don't, it's just going to be found in the app. So you would just go to where it says apps and you would search for QR code. But I already have one right over here, QR code. And then I enter the web address that I want. It's as simple as that, techsavvyteacher.com. And then press generate code, and there is your QR code. And you can resize it and center it to be just where you need it, and then make sure you name it, whatever it is. And then you can share. You can download this as a PNG, and then press download, and there you have it, your own QR code that you can insert into any document.